Welcome to today's update. In this video, we are going to be looking at the possibilities of an altcoin season, because if we take a look at the entire price structure of the crypto market, altcoin season is basically built around just two price charts, which is the BTC dominance and the price chart of ETH against BTC. Also, we are going to be looking at ETH price chart, because ETH is the mother of altcoin. If we see ETH outperforming BTC, usually we see lot of altcoin following suit by outperforming BTC as well. So we are going to be looking at a lot of data here, and in so doing, we are going to see if we are definitely going to get an altcoin season in the next bull market, or if we are going to see altcoin season be ignored, just like what we saw back in 2025 bull market. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And now taking a look at BTC dominance. First of all, BTC dominance means this is the amount of market share that is owned by BTC in the entire crypto market. Right now, BTC dominance is sitting at 60.56%, and this tells you that in the entire crypto market, BTC has a market share of 60.56%. And in order for you to see an altcoin season, we need the market share of BTC, which is the dominance of BTC, to drop to much more lower prices, and in so doing, the market share that is coming out of BTC will now rotate into different altcoin, and this is where we begin to see altcoin having a proper rally compared to what BTC price is doing. But if we see BTC having a major rally to much more higher prices, and we see this the dominance rising along with it, this tells you that the major amount of capital that is coming into the crypto market are basically going into BTC rather than altcoin. So in this video, we are going to be looking at a lot of data strategy. Just make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, taking a look at the previous altcoin season we had back in 2017, you can see BTC dominance dropped to more than 60% here on the weekly time frame, and this is basically the reason why we had the altcoin season of 2017. And this tells you that a lot of focus or a lot of market share is now leaving BTC and coming into altcoin. Now, if you take a look at 2021 as well, because 2021 we had a little bit of mega rally from altcoin as well. If you take a look at it, BTC dominance as well dropped from this level down to this level right here. That is about 46% on the weekly time frame, and this 46% market share went into altcoins, and this is where we saw a mega rally back in 2021. But if you take a look at the bull market of 2025, there was no major drop down from the dominance. That is why we didn't see a mega rally of altcoins back in 2025 bull market when BTC hit an all-time high. Now, the only little bit of drop down we saw here on the dominance was at this level, June 2025. That is just about 13% here on the weekly time frame. So in order for we to see a mega rally and a mega alt season, we need the market share of BTC to drop, which is the dominance of BTC to drop. And right now, in the past few days, BTC hit about 79k. Yeah, BTC hit 79k, and if you look at the dominance, we rally alongside with the price, and this led a lot of altcoins underperforming compared to what BTC is doing right now. If you take a look at the entire market, BTC is just down in past 24 hours. BTC is just down with approximately 1%. But if you take a look at major altcoins, we are down more than 1%. And this tells you that BTC is still actively having the biggest market share in the entire crypto market. So right now, like I said, in order for we to see an altcoin season, we need the BTC dominance right now to drop, just like what we saw back in 2017 and also here in 2021. Now, there are key levels here. The major key level of resistance right now is sitting at the 73 to 72% here on the weekly time frame, and the major level of support here on the weekly time frame as well is sitting at this level, this major level right here, the 40% to 39% on the weekly time frame. So as long as BTC price keeps being above this level right here, we are definitely going to see a lot of altcoin underperforming in the crypto market. But if we see a major dump right now down to this level, to give altcoin the privilege to grab more market share from BTC, and from there we can begin to see major altcoin rally. So in the next bull market, what I want to see, my plan here concerning the BTC dominance, what I want is a major rejection at this level, because if you take a look at it here, the 66% is also acting as a little bit of resistance. So what I want is to get a rejection at this level, then push down to the 40% to the 39% here on the weekly time frame, and with so doing, we're definitely going to see an altcoin season in the next bull market. But if we continue to see the dominance rising as BTC price is rising, we are definitely not going to see an altcoin season. And another most important price chart here that we need to pay attention to in terms of an altcoin season is the chart of ETH against BTC. ETH against BTC has been one of the major predictor or a major key factor in an altcoin season, because if you take a look at it now, you can see when we see ETH outperforming BTC, this gives altcoins much more privilege to also outperform BTC by following the footstep of ETH. But if we see ETH underperforming against BTC here on the price chart, you see a lot of altcoin as well not doing well. So right now, what we need to do in order for we to see an altcoin season, we need a breakout from this level right here, and a breakout from this level of resistance here. This is going to give ETH the privilege to outperform BTC, and we will definitely see lots of altcoin following suit. And also, if you take a look at the price chart, because if you are looking at the price chart, you should be looking at patterns. Now, if you take a look at it here, back in 2017 altcoin season, we saw the price consolidated inside a descending channel at this level from 2016, and immediately we got a breakout here. We saw a mega rally back in 2017. You can see here about from this level to this level, it gave us about 1080% here on the price. And this to tell you that ETH outperformed BTC about 1080% on the price chart, and this gave a lot of altcoins the privilege to outperform BTC back in 2017. Now, after that, we went into another consolidation phase inside a descending channel, just like 2016. And if you take a look at it, we also got a breakout here in 2020, and this led us to the bull market of altcoin season in 2021. And I think, yeah, from here we got about 432% against BTC, and this alone gave a lot of altcoin the privilege to hit new highs. And after that, we've also gone into another depressed descending channel, and ever since then we haven't seen a major breakout, and that is why we didn't see a major altcoin season in 2025 bull market when BTC hit an all-time high. So this price chart right there is very, very important. Right now we are still within this descending channel, and maybe very soon we are definitely going to get a breakout, and this is going to give us the altcoin season that we have been looking for. So that is for that here on the price chart. In summary, as long as we still remain within this price chart right here, we are definitely going to see altcoin underperforming BTC. Now, taking a look at ETH here on the weekly time frame, like I said, ETH is currently looking a little bit solid here on the weekly time frame, because we are sitting above this major level of resistance here, sitting at the $2,132 level. As long as we keep seeing the weekly time frame being above this major level here, we are looking solid. And right now, the next key level of resistance here on the price chart is sitting at this level here, the $2,600 level. If we can see the weekly candle go above this level right here, then close above it and hold it as a major level of support, we can easily see ETH invalidating this bearish structure, and this is going to put ETH to outperform BTC, which is going to lead us into an altcoin season. But if we fail to hold firmly above this level that we're currently holding right now, then the next major key level of support to look into is this $1,900 level to the $1,700 level on the weekly time frame. Like I have been saying, if you take a look at the entire price structure, I think we are currently sitting in a mega bullish trend. Right now, this is the trend. As long as ETH keep holding firmly above these levels, yeah, we might be seeing an altcoin season very soon. But if we see ETH breaking below this level right here, which is the $1,700 level, this is going to invalidate the bullish structure here, and this is going to suspend or delay the altcoin season that we are currently looking for. So that is for that here in today's video. Like I said, in order for you to see an altcoin season, watch out for BTC dominance and the price chart of ETH against BTC. Once you see a breakout within these two, definitely we are heading into an altcoin season. So that is that for today's video. If you find this video very useful and you want to continue to watch this kind of content on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. Turn on the notification bell so that next time when I make a video just like this, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.